Coffee thrives in the tropical equatorial zone known as the bean belt. This area gets loads of rain and sun. Brazil is the world's biggest producer of coffee, followed by others in the Americas such as Colombia, Peru, and Mexico, Ethiopia in Africa, and Vietnam, Indonesia, and India in Asia. In terms of quality, it depends on who you ask, but the beans from Ethiopia, Kenya, Colombia, and Central America are highly regarded. Coffees that come from a single place are known as single origin coffees. Usually the place is a region, but it can mean a country. An estate coffee is a single origin coffee that originates from a single farm. A micro-lot coffee is an estate coffee that originates from a specific plot of land on the farm. A coffee that grows in the best microclimate and soil conditions, hence producing a high-quality brew, is a specialty coffee. Specialty coffees are keenly sought after by coffee connoisseurs. Coffees that come from more than one place are known as blends. But don't confuse a coffee's quality with its origin. Blends are popular with coffee roasters because the mix of beans can complement one another so that you get the best of all of them. Signature blends from specific roasters can also be highly sought after. A movement called the third wave of coffee is a push to treat coffee more like wine, more than just a beverage, something to be appreciated. The term comes from the supposed waves of American coffee culture, the first wave being the emergence of coffee drinking by the masses in the 19th century, followed by the second wave being its explosion in popularity, reaching its apex with the Starbucks hyper-expansion earlier this century. We are now in the third wave, whereby coffee drinkers are becoming increasingly interested in the origin and quality of the bean, much like beer drinkers are gravitating towards microbrews. Supporters of the third wave strive to improve every stage of the coffee's production cycle in order to achieve the best quality possible.